Hi, I'm Pippa Jameson and I've worked as an interior stylist and creative director for over 22 years now. I decided to create this course as I've worked very much behind the camera on a multitude of campaigns across advertising, editorial and commercial. And I decided to now share my knowledge in a business design workshop which is suitable for aspiring creatives or existing creatives who want to have a really true understanding of what their product is and exactly what it is that they're offering, identifying their unique selling points. Now, once we've identified what our USP is, I'm going to teach you the best business practices, which is everything to do with how to communicate with clients, how to take a brief, how to take an order, and then seeing that project right the way through to the end result. I'd like to, at the end of this course, show you how to gain clients, but most importantly, how to keep long-standing clients.